Paul Kagame is a Rwandan politician and former military leader. He is the sixth and current president of Rwanda. Having taken office in 2000, Kagame previously commanded the Rwandan Patriotic Front, a Uganda-based rebel force which invaded Rwanda in 1990 and was one of the parties of the conflict. During the Rwandan Civil War and the Rwandan genocide, he was considered Rwanda's de facto leader when he served as vice president and minister of defense under President Pastor Bizimungu from 1994 to 2000. Kagame was born to a Tutsi family in southern Rwanda. When he was 2 years old, the Rwandan Revolution ended centuries of Tutsi political dominance. His family fled to Uganda, where he spent the rest of his childhood. In the 1980s, Kagame fought in Yoweri Museveni's rebel army, becoming a senior Ugandan army officer after Museveni's military victories carried him to the Ugandan presidency. Kagame joined the RPF, taking control of the group when previous leader Fred Rugema died on the second day of the 1990 invasion. By 1993, the RPF controlled significant territory in Rwanda and a ceasefire was negotiated. The assassination of Rwandan President Juvenal Habyarimana set off the genocide, in which Hutu extremists killed an estimated 500,000 to 800,000 Tutsi and moderate Hutu. Kagame resumed the civil war and ended the genocide with a military victory. During his vice presidency, Kagame controlled the national army and maintained law and order, while other officials began rebuilding the country. Many RPF soldiers carried out retribution killings. Kagame said he did not support these killings but failed to stop them. A small number of these soldiers were later put on trial. Hutu refugee camps formed in Zaire and other countries. These camps were given food and medical aid by several Western governments and aid agencies. The RPF attacked the camps in 1996, forcing many refugees to return home. But insurgents continued to attack Rwanda. The attack on the refugee camps killed an estimated 200,000 people. As part of the invasion, Kagame sponsored 2 rebel wars in Zaire. The Rwandan and Ugandan-backed rebels won the first war, installing Laurent Desire Kabila as president in place of dictator Mobutu and renaming the country as the Democratic Republic of the Congo. The second war was launched in 1998 against Kabila and later his son Joseph, following the DRC government's expulsion of Rwandan and Ugandan military forces from the country. The war escalated into a conflict that lasted until a 2003 peace deal and ceasefire. Bizimungu resigned in 2000, most likely having been forced to do so, following a fallout with the RPF. He was replaced by Kagame. Bizimungu was later imprisoned for corruption and inciting ethnic violence, charges that human rights groups described as politically motivated. As president, Kagame has prioritized national development, launching a program to develop Rwanda as a middle-income country by 2020. As of 2013, the country is developing strongly on key indicators, including healthcare and education. Annual growth between 2004 and 2010 averaged 8% per year. Kagame has had mostly good relations with the East African community and the United States. His relations with France were poor until 2009. Relations with the DRC remained tense despite the 2003 ceasefire. Human rights groups and a leaked United Nations report allege Rwandan support for 2 insurgencies in the country, a charge Kagame denies. Several countries suspended aid payments in 2012 following these allegations. Kagame is popular with some foreign observers. Human rights groups accuse him of political repression. In 2003, the RPF acceded to donor pressure to hold elections, all of which have been won by Kagame but none of which have been rated free or fair by international observers. A 2015 amendment to the 2003 constitution relaxed term limits that would have ended his presidency. In 2017, his role in the assassination of exiled political opponents has been controversial. Kagame was born on the 23rd of October 1957, the youngest of 6 children, in Tambwe, Rwanda Urundi, a village located in what is now the southern province of Rwanda. His father, Deogratius, was a member of the Tutsi ethnic group. from which the royal family had been derived since the 18th century or earlier. Deogratius had family ties to King Mutara III, but he pursued an independent business career rather than maintain a close connection to the royal court. Kageme's mother, Asteria Rutagimbava, descended from the family of the last Rwandan queen, Rosalie Jakanda. At the time of Kageme's birth, Rwanda was a United Nations Trust territory. Long-time colonial power Belgium still ruled the territory, but with a mandate to oversee independence. Rwandans were made up of three distinct groups. The minority Tutsi were the traditional ruling class, and the Belgian colonialists had long promoted Tutsi supremacy, whilst the majority Hutu were agriculturalists. The third group,